Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about cosine 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sine x squared. Now, we need to change this one into this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 plus sine 2x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have to cosine 2x dx. First derivative of sine 2x, we have this one. This is about the constant, so you got 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Cosine 2x dx we change by du over number 2. The integration of du over u, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.